Wish your car could be cleaner and faster? Forget gas and diesel, hydrogen engines are shaking up the future. Here's how these powerful machines really work. Hydrogen engines use hydrogen gas as fuel. Yep, the same stuff in water. Inside the engine, hydrogen mixes with oxygen. When they react, boom, you get energy. That energy powers the car, just like gasoline does. But with a huge difference. The only exhaust is water vapor. No nasty carbon emissions. That means cleaner air and a healthier planet. Plus, hydrogen engines refuel super fast. Think minutes, not hours like charging electric cars. And, hydrogen is everywhere, so we're not stuck relying on oil. Fast, green, and futuristic. Hydrogen engines could be the future of driving. Would you try one?